The formulas for the chapter of exponents are these. Any number whose power is 0, answer will always be 1. If a number has two powers, one is inside the bracket you see and one power n is outside the bracket, then you will multiply the powers. M into n is mm. For example, if you have here x to the power 2 and outside is 5, so you multiply them, 2 5s are 10, this way. If the power is negative, we can make the power positive by taking the reciprocal. Reciprocal is 1 over this number. So you write 1 over x and now the power becomes positive. It was minus n becomes positive. If it is 1 by 2 to the power minus 3, then the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Now power becomes positive. And if it is 3 to the power minus 3, reciprocal is 1 by 3 to the power, now becomes positive. If you have same basis, powers are added. X to the power m into x to the power n, you see base is same, xx, then powers are added. But if the multiplication sign is there, then only added. If there is division sign, then we subtract the powers for the same basis. X to the power m over x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. These formulas, first three today, will be using in the questions that I'll be solving.
3.
Question number 5, first part. The question is, find the reciprocal of each of the following. We have to find the reciprocal. Just now I taught you in the formulas how to do the reciprocal. The first one is 5 cube. 5 cube. Reciprocal is 1 over 5 cube. Okay. They are just telling to take the reciprocal. Now here we are not making the changing the power, because the question is to find the reciprocal. Reciprocal of this is 1 over this. So 1 over 5 cube, that is 1 over 5. We can take the power 3 common outside, because 1 cube is also 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is also 1. So I can take the power 3 outside common. Okay. This you can write as 1 cube over 5 cube. 1 cube is 1. Now this power 3 we have taken outside common. Third part is minus 3 to the power 5. So reciprocal is equal to 1 over this number, 1 over minus 3 to the power 5. Now since the power is odd, if I take the power common outside, you will get minus sign only. So this minus I can write in the numerator, minus 1 over 3 whole power 5. This power 5 I can take out common. Again same thing like this, 1 to the power 5 is 5, so I can write down. Next is fifth part, 3 over 5 whole cube. Reciprocal of this is 1 over this number. So 1 over this will be, this 5 will go on top, 3 will come down. Power is 3 now. Next is minus 5 over minus 6 to the power cube. Reciprocal is 1 over this number. 1 over minus 5 over 6 to the power cube. Okay, minus 5 over minus 6 to the power cube. Now this minus 6 will go on top, minus 6 over minus 5, this cube is outside common. 10th one is minus 27 over 64. Reciprocal is equal to 1 over this number. 1 over minus 27 by 64. This 64 will go on top. So minus 64 by 27. Minus sign we always write with the numerator. Even if the question is having in denominator, you take it in the numerator. Next is question number 6. Express the following into positive exponents. Express the following into positive exponents. Exponents means power. So if the power is negative, you see in the question, your question is to change the power into positive. We can change the power into positive by taking the reciprocal. Let's do it here. Question number 6, first part. First part is 1 over 5 to the power minus 3. Okay, so I can take the reciprocal of 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 1 over 5 is 5 by 1. Reciprocal is just upside down. Make the numerator denominator and denominator becomes numerator. For example, 2 by 3. Reciprocal will be 3 by 2. The numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. If it is just a single number like 3, we can write 3 by 1. 3 means 3 by 1. So reciprocal is 1 by 3. So reciprocal is just upside down. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So 1 over 5 reciprocal is upside down, 5 by 1. Now this power minus 3 becomes positive. Minus 3 becomes 3. So right here 5 cube. 1 cube will be 1 only down. So any number has understood it is denominator is 1, so you don't have to write it down. Now students, don't get confused. We are saying here that reciprocal, here when we made the reciprocal I did not change the power, but here you will think that ma'am is changing the power. There are different type of questions. I am writing this is equal to this, but here I did not say that this is equal to this. Okay, I am telling reciprocal is equal to this. Reciprocal of 5 cube is 1 over 5 cube. But here if you see in this question, I am taking the reciprocal of 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1. So when I have taken reciprocal, this power becomes positive 3. So answer is 5 cube. Now this is your third part, minus 8 by 13 to the power minus 5. Reciprocal of this will be, make it upside down. So 13 goes on top, 8 comes down. Write minus in the numerator only. Sometimes in your answer at back you will find it down, but you take it in the numerator only. And now this negative power minus 5 becomes positive power 5. Sixth part is minus 11 by 17 to the power minus 7. Reciprocal of this is again upside down. 17 goes on top, 11 comes down. This minus sign is here. This minus 7 will change to 7. Now negative power changes to positive. So remember this, when we take the reciprocal, the negative power becomes positive. If it has positive power, it will become negative.
3.
Question number 7, first part, we have simplify. The question is simplify these questions. So let's take the first part here now. First part is 3 by 4 to the power 3 whole power 4. I have taught you in the formulas here. When you have two powers, you only have to multiply the power. So this question is very easy. 3 into 4 multiply. 3 into 4, 3 fours are 12. So that's the answer. Third part is this one, 4 by 7 minus 3 is one power, 5 is another power. Multiply these two powers, minus 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. Since there is minus, you also put minus. Sixth part is 4 by 5 to the power minus 4 whole power 2. Multiply the powers, minus 4 into 2, it becomes 4 2s are 8 with the minus sign. Finished. Next question, 8th question. This is an important question. Find the value of x. If first part is 6 to the power x is equal to 216. 6 to the power x is equal to 216. The question is I have to find the value of x. How to find x? You will make the same base. If the base here, base is this lower number. This power is known as exponent, or we can say power. This is known as base. 6 is base, x is power or exponent. This side also I will make the same base 6. This is the first thing you will do in this type of question. So take the LCM of 216 and do with 6 only. 6 3s are 18, 3 left, so 36 becomes 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36, 6 1 is 6. That means 216 is equal to how many times 6? 3 times 6 cube. Now you see both the sides the base is same, 6 6. When both the sides the base is same, then powers become equal. X is equal to 3. This is your answer. So remember, in this question you will make the same base. After you make the same base, then powers will become equal. Third part is 3 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 1. To make the same base 3, I can write 1 as 3 to the power 0. Since 3 to the power 0 is 1, any number whose power 0 is 1. I have taught you this in the formulas also. So now you see the base is same, 3, both the sides, the powers are equal. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So now take minus 2 there, it becomes positive. X is equal to 2. Fifth part is 1 over 5 whole to the power x is equal to 1 over 625. This side also I will make the same base 1 over 5 here also. So take the LCM of 625 with 5. 5 1s are 5, 12, it becomes 5 2s are 10, 2 left, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So I got 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 1 can be 1 to the power 4 and 625 is 5 to the power 4. So the whole power 4 I have taken outside common. Now bases are same, 1 by 5, so powers are equal, x is equal to 4. Now students, listen very carefully till question number 8. Okay, I have completed the questions. How much I had to teach you. The remaining questions you have to do it as your homework from question number 5 to question number 8. All the remaining parts which I have not done, don't think that you don't have to do. That is understood. The questions which I am not doing, they are your homework. If you have any problem, when I take your class, that time you will ask me in the group. Don't call me later on. Don't give me any message later on. That time only you have to call me. Give a message in the group. That's all for today. Complete the whole exercise. I have finished the whole exercise 2A in this. We'll be only following the book. Delta is only for you to see the videos now. But you will solve the questions from the book. That's it.